Welcome to this computer tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up a computer system, turn it on and off properly, download and install the Brave browser, set it as your default application, create shortcuts for easy access, and even keep your system clean by managing the recycle bin. Let's get started, but before we start, I'll show you first the basic parts of a computer. This is the system unit, also called the CPU. It is the main part of the computer that processes all the data and runs the programs. Next is the monitor. It displays the output, allowing us to see text, images, and videos from the computer. Here we have the keyboard, which lets us type letters, numbers, and commands into the system. Beside it is the mouse, a pointing device used to move the cursor, select items, and interact with applications. And finally, the power supply. It provides the electricity needed to make all the computer parts work. Now that we are familiar with the basic parts of the computer, let's proceed to the setup and start our tutorial. Let's start by setting up the computer system. First, plug in the keyboard and mouse into the USB ports. Next, place the system unit and monitor on a stable surface. Connect the monitor cable to the video port at the back of the system unit. After that, connect the power cable to the monitor and plug it into the power outlet. Do the same for the system unit. Once everything is securely connected, your computer setup is ready. To turn on the computer, press the power button on the system unit. Then wait as the system boots up. The monitor will display the startup process. When you're done using the computer, always shut it down properly. Click the Start menu, select Power, then click Shut Down. Wait until the system completely turns off before switching off the power source. Now let's download and install the Brave browser. Open your current web browser and go to the official Brave website at brave.com. Click the download button to get the installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions by clicking Install and wait until the setup finishes. After installation, Brave browser will automatically launch. Next, we'll set Brave as our default web browser. Open the Brave browser and a prompt may appear asking if you'd like to make it the default browser. If so, click Yes. If the prompt doesn't appear, go to the Start menu and open Settings. Select Apps, then Default Apps. Scroll down and click on your current default browser. From the list, choose Brave browser. It's now set as your default. Let's make Brave even easier to access. Right-click the Brave icon on your desktop, then select Create Shortcut if one doesn't already exist. Now, right-click the shortcut and select Pin to Taskbar. The Brave browser icon will now appear on the taskbar, giving you quick access anytime. Finally, let's clean the recycle bin. Locate the recycle bin icon on your desktop and double-click it to open. Review the files inside and make sure they're not needed. Then, click Empty Recycle Bin, confirm your choice, and all unnecessary files will be permanently deleted. Great job! You've just learned how to set up and manage your computer system from the basics of connecting hardware to installing and setting up the Brave browser and keeping your desktop clean and organized. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to practice these steps to get more comfortable. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.